Hi, my lovely students. I told you how to prepare. It's optional, but I like you to do it. It's the math journal. You write, of course, you write it properly. Math. I think this pen is not good. I'll try another one. Maybe you have better than me. You write math journal. You write grade 2. Then you write your name. Okay guys, this is the first step. I told you any copybook you have. Of course, you can color it, you can decorate it, you can put colored papers, it's up to you. So this is the first step, okay? Okay, then guys, you go to page 347. Again, page 347. You cut your vocabulary cards. Are you with me? You cut the page because they said, look at the scissors. They put scissors here, okay? You see it? Okay. After that, this is page I will write for you. This is, I will write it here. This is page what? No need to write the number of the page, but I'm writing for you the number of the page to know which one I tear, okay? Which one? So I tear the vocabulary card. I cut. Look at the scissors. Trace on the line. You can do it by yourself, not your mom. Without the help of your mom, you can do it alone. Okay, guys? You cut the card like this. Then you paste it here. Are you with me? Then you cut the cards. How many vocabulary words we took in this chapter? What was the first word? Ones, do you remember? Tens, hundreds. I paste it here. Ones, tens. What else? Hundreds. And we took the word regroup. Do you remember? And the word sum. So look, I'm cutting and pasting my vocabulary cards. So I gave you ones, tens, one more left. So I raise it up a little bit. Okay, then you paste them. Okay, guys? Then I have to put these two cards. Okay, guys, look. What was the first word? Then you paste it, okay? After you paste it, you start to write. What was the first word? Remind me. Ones. The second word. We learn it in this chapter, or we use it in this chapter. Tens. Hundreds. Okay, we use the word sum to find the sum. We use the word regroup. And I prefer if you write here base 10 blocks. Do you remember them? Base 10 blocks. I'll show you what's the meaning of each word. Okay, guys, stay with me. So I have finished the first page in my journal. I will write now the meaning for each word, and I write an example. Okay, guys?
Start.
Okay, guys, you can get the meaning of the words from page 401. Do you remember my review, the vocabulary check? What's the meaning of ones? You write it inside the number. Ones mean the numbers from 0 to where? 9. Give me example. You write an example. For example, 386. Where is the ones place? I'll bring the color here. Okay, no, I have another color. Use the red. The 6 are the ones. Okay, guys. Similarly, you do for the tens. What do you mean by the tens? The numbers. You write the meaning, guys. The numbers from 10 to 99. You give me example. For example, if you have any number, okay, where are the tens here? This one, the 3, will show you the 3 what, guys? Tens. Great. Similarly, you do for the hundreds. The sum. What is the sum? I wrote it for you. That's the answer of the addition sentence. What do you mean by regroup? Take apart a number to write it in a new way. I give example. Base 10 blocks. What are base 10 blocks? Are blocks used to what? To model what, guys? To model numbers. Give me example. This flat, this one is called what, guys? What do we call it? Flat. This one is, we call it what? Rod. And this one, of course, it's a cube, but I'll not draw it a cube. This one is shown to show what, guys? Hundreds. The rod will show the tens. The cube will show the what? Ones. So these blocks are used to model numbers. Then you finish the hundreds. What are the hundreds? Hundreds. No, sorry, it's not the answer. Yes, here. The numbers. From where till where? From 100 to 999. And before 1000. Give me an example. 638. Where are the hundreds? The 6 shows the what, guys? Hundreds. So, guys, I finished the first page for my vocabulary. Done. After you finish my vocabulary card, it was page 347, you can cut and paste the cards and write the words. After you finish this, go to page reflect. You see the page reflect? Which page is this? Page 403. Page, don't forget, page 403. What do you have here? Reflect. Reflect. It shows what did you understand. Did you understand the lesson or not? Also, it's, as you see, it's terrible. Tear it. Tear it. I know. Just like this. Then I paste it on this page. I cut and paste my reflection. Then I paste it. I solve all these problems to answer what? Look at this, guys. If you have highlighter, I'll bring my highlighter to show you the essential question. If you answer the essential question, how do I add 3-digit number? There are ways to add 3-digit number. What are they? Regroup ones. I'll highlight it, the 3 ways. Regroup tens. Regroup tens and ones together, and add mentally. These 4 main concepts, we learn it in this chapter. I told you by the end, look at the essential question. If you answer the essential question by yourself, all, right? It means you understand all the lessons here. So what was the ways to add 3-digit number? What is the first way? Regroup ones. Then what? regroup what? Tens. The third, regroup tens and ones. And we learn how to add 10 or 100 mentally. So you say, this is the first way you learn it. This is the second way, the third way, and the fourth way. If you solve them all, right, it means you understood the lesson. Solve now. Solve them, guys. Okay? So the second page in my journal is finished. Now the last page, this one you will solve it in your own